Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to extend your dashcam warranty. To extend your dashcam warranty, firstly, make sure your dashcam is connected with app. Now switch from dashcam Wi-Fi to normal Wi-Fi, and next go to your profile. Select Register My Warranty. Tap Plus. Select Channel. First name, last name, email, town, city, postal code, country. And select if you have purchased paid 1 year extend warranty. Enter your product order number, the product you purchased. If possible, upload your order receipt, car make, model, year, and submit. Thanks to this, you will have extended warranty registered on your app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.